Alright, Sunday. But check it out, my tire's dead hard. That's new. Alright. Heading out to the shop. Gonna change the oil on this thing and then start working on that engine a bit. One thing, life as a private contractor, being self-employed, I wouldn't trade it for the world, but it really becomes you when your days off are spent just working on stuff and behind the scenes. So there's really no such thing as days off, but you're working for yourself. I wouldn't have it any other way, so let's jump into today. Whew, I just pulled in, so this truck's just hot, so I gotta watch out I don't burn myself here. I'm gonna show you something that some of you may not have seen before. It's these Ford oil plugs. It's a plastic oil pan. It's just a plastic plug here. It just half turns and pulls out. There's no, you don't need a tool or nothing for it. See that? Oop. Now I'm scared because this oil's hot. Of course. Oh, whew, yeah, that's hot. That plug doesn't click in as tight as it used to, I don't think. I think I used to have to use a tool. I am making a mess. But yeah, I think next time I get the oil change, I'm going to go to Ford and buy a new plug. Wow, I am making a major mess. She really gushes out when it's hot. You noticed what I just did there, didn't you? I threw the plug in that pan and then threw the pan in and filled it with oil. I couldn't find my plug, so I actually looked back and reviewed my footage that I just filmed and watched myself throw the plug in there, and now it's full of oil. So now I'm going to have to fish that out. I usually run 1540 in the summer and 040 in the winter, but I'm putting 1540 synthetic in her right now, so that'll be okay. I usually run just 1540 conventional all summer long. Well, the card in my camera is full, so this is my phone, but there. I'm gonna make a crossover for here, back of the transmission, and figure out a little something for the front. The oil filter's all bashed in because the engine's been sitting outside for a couple of days during transport, but I got a new. You know what? I started fabbing up some motor mounts for this, and then went to move the forklift, and of course it was dead again. And well, it's Sunday evening. I'm tired. I'm done. So I'm gonna go home and just cook some supper and get this video up. And on Tuesday, today's Sunday. On Tuesday I'll probably be out again. I gotta pick up the radiator and fan from the guy sometime this week, and then start building some motor mounts and get this thing put together. You may be wondering why I pulled off that Slant 6 power pack. That Slant 6 power pack, it's a nice unit. There's nothing wrong with it, but it has no transmission. So the guy actually had an old Ford truck of some sort, and he wanted to put a V8 on, so he pulled this engine off, and he actually wanted to throw it in the scrap. So I got it off him, so now it's got a transmission. So yeah, I got a transmission, and I got the rad, so I'm gonna build something out of this, and then I'm probably gonna get this governor and try to get it set up on here. So this is gonna have a governor on it. And yes sir, so throughout the week, I'm gonna piddle away at this, and hopefully by next weekend, have it able to bring to the farm, but we'll see how that all goes. So instead of moving the forklift and boosting it, I'm just out of gas, man. I'm tired. So I got this little wild brace here so the forks don't set down and touch the engine, and the engine's just balancing there. So hopefully when I come back, probably Tuesday, the engine's still going to be there. So that's all. Sorry I never got it running this video, but next video I'm going to post, whenever that's going to be, this thing will be running. So look out for that. Thanks a lot. Have a good one, guys.